In this video, I want to talk about why substitution is such an important technique of integration. Substitution is the most important integration technique, and it's very important that as you work on your skills with integration, you become very comfortable with doing substitutions. And in fact, people who are very good at doing integration can usually do all of a substitution in their head and just write down the next step which comes after the substitution. All the other techniques could potentially start with a substitution or end with a substitution. Often you'll have an integrand, something you're integrating, and you'll have to start with a substitution and then do your other technique, your partial fractions, your integration by parts, some other technique, and then maybe at the end you have to do another substitution to change the integral into the variables that you're interested in for your problem. If you're going to use technology to do your integration, you should become very good at substitutions, because the algorithms that the technology are using on your smartphone, on your computer, there in the background are using substitutions to simplify the integrals, and the answer you get back will reflect those substitutions. So even if you're going to rely on technology to do your integration, you should become adept at understanding the substitutions, because those changes of variable are going to be used to give the answers to you. And substitution is really just a change of variable. Substitution is just the chain rule of differentiation being used backwards. And finally, I want to share with you a little insider information. There actually are relatively few substitution integrals that it's reasonable to ask a student to evaluate on a quiz, a test, an assignment, or an exam. You can practice all of them. And I think you'll find that if you check out and compare several different textbooks, you'll find the same examples coming up. And those are the examples that it's reasonable to ask a student to do. And it is a smart move for you to simply practice all of those examples, and then you won't be fooled when you come to a test or an exam.